here looking at a mechanical installation for a fire extinguisher, in this case the 0360 mechanical that's installed in the Toyota 86 cars. It's a mechanical activation, so it's a pull cable required by the driver or a marshal on the outside of the vehicle that needs to put the fire out. It's important that the driver can reach the pull cable while seated in the vehicle with the harness on, the steering wheel in place. So for the Toyota 86 cars, it's neatly contained up here on the dash, marked by the Lifeline E sticker to make sure it's easy to find. When we look at the bottle itself, installed to the floor using the standard mounts with the anti-torpedo, plumbed in using the standard system and following the guidelines. One difference inside the cockpit is that there's two nozzles that are down here sort of pointing back at the driver, but really important to follow the guidelines where you don't want the nozzles pointing back at the driver's face, because obviously you don't want the suppressants going into the driver's face, or in particular if the driver is still driving the vehicle, they need to be able to see. So really important to follow the guidelines where the nozzles inside the cockpit are basically down in the footwell pointing back at the driver to offer that level of protection, and obviously plumb through to the engine bay, through the firewall using the nozzles that come with the kit.